Climate change, one of humanity's most pressing challenges, compromising our food and water security, affecting our health, risking our economic and social well-being, and undermining the ecosystems on which we depend, threatening our very existence. The global community is mobilizing in the fight against climate change, yet it often undervalues one powerful ally, nature. Nature plays a critical role in reducing carbon emissions and helping nations and communities adapt to a changing climate. Natural ecosystems absorb and store carbon. Oceans absorb over 25% of annual emissions of carbon dioxide, but overburdening them carries its own risks. Terrestrial ecosystems store almost 3 times the amount of carbon found in the atmosphere. Halting deforestation and restoring degraded land can cut carbon pollution equivalent to the yearly emissions of all the cars in the world. Natural ecosystems protect against climate-related disasters. Coastal wetlands in the United States provide $23 billion worth of storm protection each year. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, has been a pioneer in advancing nature-based solutions to climate change for almost a decade, working with local and global communities to implement them effectively. It's time to act. Time to restore forests. Time to safeguard wetlands. Time to conserve oceans. Time to implement nature-based solutions. IUCN, championing the vital role of nature in tackling humanity's greatest challenges. Join us in unlocking the power of nature. No solution is complete without it.